In this question, you have to identify the element which is essential for the growth of the root tip. Option A, calcium. Calcium is essential for the growth of the root tip because it is a key component of the cell wall and it is involved in cell division and elongation. Besides, it also stabilizes cell membranes and plays an important role in signal transduction, which is also very important for the development of new root tissues. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, manganese. Now, while manganese is important for enzyme activation and photosynthesis, but it is not directly associated with the root tip growth. Hence, it is incorrect. Option C, zinc. It is also incorrect because zinc is necessary for enzyme function and photosynthesis, but it is not specifically needed for root tip growth. Option D, iron. It is also incorrect because iron is a vital component for chlorophyll synthesis and it also acts as a cofactor in various enzymatic reactions, but it is not directly related to growth of root tip.